Alright, so I took all of the wires, the old smelly wires, out of the Jones plug. That on this one too, I always have a backup. So that's the bottom, that's where you're supposed to wrap the cord around, the twine. I think I'm going to use this one though. I like the pins on here better than these ones. So now to solder them in. All right, I am going to be working on replacing all of this broken mess with a brand new 1969 Jones plug. That's going to mean I'm going to start at the bottom, which was over here, and remove these first. Then just start unsoldering and resoldering till I have the plug complete. All right, so there it is. It's all been resoldered, rewired, and these are all the broken pieces. So now I'm just gonna tie them up, and you can see that just plugs right into the female part of the Jones plug.